Hello and welcome to the April edition of Coming Attractions. I'm Donna Keating.
And I'm Elliot Fansteel. From the music of Charlie Daniels Band to the funk sounds of Sly and the Family Stone, there is no doubt that old school music is here to stay. It is,
yes.
It's here. We're going to be talking to the lead music director at Roberto Clemente Middle School in Germantown, as well as one of the lead student performers about the old school number 3 Soul Train production. It's got all the kids really excited.
At the Roundhouse Theater this month, the classic One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. We'll talk with theater critic Fake Levine about going from con man to gambler to insanity.
That's not Fagan, though.
No.
No. And in our video profile segment, Potomac Community Resources.
Well, PCR was started by a group of families at Our Lady of Mercy Parish, and the families all had children with disabilities, and they didn't feel like their children were getting enough services. So they kind of went and talked to the priest at the parish and asked him for help, and the organization started very small. And slowly over time, it built up and is now I would say, medium-sized organization serving teens and adults with developmental disabilities. People find activities at PCR either through our website, but generally it's through word of mouth. The community of people with disabilities is pretty tight-knit. And families generally communicate, and when they find a program that they think is good, they tell their friends about it. And so we get a lot of word-of-mouth referrals. What sets PCR apart from other organizations in the area is the quality of our services. We strive to provide the best quality services and to meet our members' needs on an individual basis. PCR serves teens and adults with developmental differences, so we serve individuals 13 on up into adulthood. And our programs, we have some programs that are geared more to the teens and young adults, and some programs that are geared more to more mature adults. Well, we've gotten a lot of very positive feedback from families. We have a number of people, a lot of our members who have continued on with their programs for a number of years. Our music therapy program has been around for 7 years, and most of the original members in that program are still participating today. PCR offers a wide variety of programs. We offer sports programs, we offer discussion groups, we offer programs that focus on communication skills, which is a definite need in this population. We have social groups, and we also do a number of respite programs, which give families a little break from the caretaking routine.
I've been a board-certified music therapist for 12 years now, and I did work a little in high school with people with disabilities, but primarily I've worked with developmentally disabled adults for 12 years. Music therapy, there's many definitions of what it is, but generally it's the prescribed use of music to reach non-musical goals. Generally you're working on social, physical, emotional goals, and you reach it through music. So you design activities, you use songs to inspire, to motivate adults to reach non-musical goals. And that's how you design music therapy sessions. You pick out some goals. For here, it's very recreational music therapy based, so increased eye contact, something so simple as passing, which works on really knowing who's around you and your surroundings. We work on social interaction, shaking your hand, saying hello. We work on starting and stopping with music. Sounds very basic, but it's extremely effective to know to respond to stimuluses in the environment. So a lot of that starting and stopping, learning how to regulate yourself, or we say modulate yourself, to going fast or slow. So helping these adults gain more control in their environment. I've seen so many adults, especially even in the groups here with PCR, grow in their ability to make eye contact, to interact with their peers, to get up out of a chair and actually to ask another member to join them in a dance. I see some of them increase their ability to communicate non-verbally, if it's making a choice with their eyes. So I feel it's extremely effective. Music really inspires everybody on all levels, and I think sometimes we forget that, and so I think it's extremely effective. The positive feedback that I get from the adults keeps this going. Smiling, coming up to me immediately wanting to play the guitar, coming up and giving me a hug, requesting songs, or you sing a song that maybe you think is very simple and then you see their eyes light up or they get very excited. So that constant positive feedback really helps in keeping these programs going and finding what direction we're going to take them.
Going forward, I think PCR is really looking to continue the high quality of their programs and looking to collaborate with other organizations in Montgomery County and make sure that the needs of the community are really met in the best possible way.